bar graphs. Make a bar graph out of the data in the frequency table on the right. So we have two categories, height in centimeters and number of people. So we're going to plot this in our bar graph. So here we have on the left side the number of people ranging from 10 to 60. Now here we already have the first one done for us. The height in centimeters, 120 to 129 centimeters. So, and you can see that's under number of people, 4. So now let's go to the next one. We have 130 height in centimeters, 130 to 139. So let's make a little. Let's put it right here. So I'm going to plot it right about here. Number of people 10. So I go all the way up so I can hit the 10 right here on the left hand side. So I make my bar and it's right here. Okay, so that's done. This is done with. This is done with. Okay, I go to 140 to 149 in height in centimeters, so I plot it right here. So I create my graph, and number of people is 41 in people in height in centimeters. So number of people is 41. So I reach about right here. As you can see, I hit the 41 right here. So make my little bar right here. So that's done with. Okay, let's go to the next one. 150 to 159 height in centimeters, and the number of people is 82. So I'm going to put it 150 here to 159, and I'm going to plot about right here. 82. Well, since I don't have here listed 82 on the left hand side, I'm going to make this as 70, and then I'm going to make this as 80. So now I can now figure it out. So I'm going up. I gotta reach to 82, which is about right here. And then I go down, connect it with my bar, and I fill it in. Okay, so that's done with. So we have 5 more to go. So we have 160 to 169. So number of people is 95 for that. So I'll create a bar for that one. Well, since we don't have a 90, I'm going to put it right about here to make things much easier for you guys. So I have to reach to 95 for my number of people. So I have to go all the way up to 95 on this bar graph. So it's about right here. So I go all the way down to connect with my bar, and I color in. Okay, so that's done with. In this case, let's go to the next one. We have 170 to 179. So number of people is 61 that are in height in centimeters from 170 to 179. So I gotta hit 61. So I go all the way up to 61, which is about right about here. And I fill in my bar. Okay, so now we have two left. So we have 180 in height to 189. So I'm going to put it right about here and here. And the number of people that are in the height of 180 to 189 in centimeters, we have 39 number of people that are that height, so 39. So I have to go all the way up to 39, and that's about right. So I color in my bar. Okay, so I go to our next one, which is my last. I have 190 to 199 in height in centimeters, and the number of people being that height is 6. So I have 190 to 199, and I'll place my bar right here. And number of people that are that height is 6. So I just placed about right about here, and I draw my bar, fill it in. So right there we have a bar graph. So this is how you would do it. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept of what are we doing here.